Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a very gentle way of removing special effect makeups using the Clean and Care products. Usually with latex you have the problem that it kind of hurts, especially if you put it on areas that have a lot of body hair. Usually it tends to hurt a little bit. And latex does not really have a designated remover. But you can absolutely use the Clean and Care Natural Cleansing Oil, because this basically creeps underneath the latex and really gently removes it. I just spray it directly on top and then I try to find the edge of the latex. So I'm just using a stiffer paintbrush, because latex is not the most gentle thing you can put on your skin. And removing it with the cleansing oil or with products that are like soothing and hydrating and beneficial for your skin can really make a difference. So it doesn't dissolve it, but it slides under. And then of course you also have the benefit that it is very soothing to the skin. It will re-moisturize, it will actually help your skin recover from that special effect makeup. Clean and Care Natural Cleansing Oil contains argan oil, olive oil and vegan squalane, which all hydrate your skin, are nourishing, and they can also protect your skin. So it's a really great product for your skincare routine, or especially when you do special effect makeup. Before and after you do this, your skin needs a little bit of help, and the Clean and Care range can really help with that. You will have these little bits and pieces that come off, and these you can then gently remove with the Clean and Care Natural Micellar Water. And this also gets rid of the oily residue that's still on the skin. So it's a really great product for your skincare routine, or especially when you do special effect makeup. Before and after you do this, your skin needs a little bit of help, and the Clean and Care range can really help with that. The Clean and Care products are mineral oil-free, natural, caring, and they're all vegan. The Clean and Care range is not only suitable for your everyday beauty applications, it is also a great range to have within your special effect kit. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment, leave a like, and see you next time.